Hello children, welcome to All Saints Cathedral Primary School online classes, mathematical activities grade 2. Now boys and girls, we have started the topic of measurement, measuring length using fixed units. Earlier on, we were trying to measure different objects using sticks, our handspan, pencils. But today I want us to try and do something different. You remember last time we measured a book, and we measured a book using what? A stick, and we used that measurement to measure our items like the table. Now, for instance, I can use my pencil to measure the shorter side of my book, and I discovered the shorter side of my book is 1 pencil long. When I come to the longer side, I can say the longer side of my textbook is 2 pencils long. The same way, I can use my pencil or a stick to measure my table. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3. So I can say the longer side of my table is 3 pencils long. How about the shorter side? I can measure 1, 2. So the shorter side is, how long is it? It is 2 pencils long. Today I've said we are going to do something different. I hope you can recall what we had discussed earlier on. Now, today we are going to look meter as a unit in measuring length. Meter as a unit in measuring length. Now, boys and girls, meter is the unit of measuring length. I repeat again, meter is the unit of measuring length. Meter is written in short as m. Okay, so in mathematics, you have to discover that meter is written in short form as m. Okay, boys and girls? And we are going to measure length using 1 meter stick. And how do we get that 1 meter stick? We are going to take, like my chalkboard measures 1 meter. My chalkboard is 1 meter. Because you're not in school, I would have helped you with my ruler to make a 1 meter stick. So I've made mine, and you can see they are of the same length. The ruler and the stick, they are of the same length. So I've made a 1 meter stick. So my stick measures 1 meter. And I'm going to use my stick to measure lengths of object that I want. Okay, boys and girls? So here, you can move with me. I've said now, measuring length using a 1 meter stick. So this is 1 meter stick. And use a chalkboard ruler to make a 1 meter stick. And that is what I've made using my chalkboard ruler. So my stick is 1 meter. Okay, boys and girls? Now, I can measure the length, the longer side of the chalkboard using my 1 meter stick. We see how many meters is the chalkboard. Okay, boys and girls? Now, can you go with me? Maybe I need a chalk to put a mark. So, say 1. I move here. Move this. 2, 3, 4. So I can say approximately my chalkboard is 4 meters long. Okay, boys and girls? Now, how about the door, our classroom door? Can you move with me? We try to measure. Let us try to measure the shorter side, which is called the width. We can say approximately it is 1 meter long. How about the longer side? We can say the classroom door is 2 meters long. Okay, boys and girls? So you can try. With assistance from your parents, they can help you to make a 1 meter stick. I think they have the measurement of 1 meter. You can make a 1 meter stick and try to measure. Remember, boys and girls, you can measure your room because you're not in school, so you can measure your room, you can measure your table using a 1 meter stick. I'll finish by saying meter is a unit in measuring length. Okay, boys and girls? Meter is the unit of measuring length. Meter is written in short form as M. Okay? And I've said measuring length using 1 meter stick. And this is my 1 meter stick. And how did I create a 1 meter stick? I used my chalkboard ruler, which is 1 meter. So I measured I measured the length of the stick using my 1 meter chalkboard ruler. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much. I hope from now you'll try and do that activity by yourself. Bye.